Right, guys, I'm going to close this video off, though, because it's got quite long. It's 30 minutes. I'm waiting for that trigger to come through. It usually doesn't take long. But what it will do, as soon as somebody signs up, it will tag student and run that email automation, right? I wanted to just show you the power of ConvertKit in this video. I didn't want to delve too deep into everything it can do. It's really cool. It's really easy to use. It's so simple to set up. And I will do more training videos, actual training videos on how to use it. This was really just a, what does it look like? How does it work? How can I use it? I know it got a little bit all over the place. It always does sometimes with these things. I try to be a little bit organized before I start, but I tend to go off in tangents at times. But I hope this helps. I hope it gave you some ideas. Ask me any questions. I will put in my website, I will put up a ConvertKit training program where I'll put some of my content. I'll put some official training videos, and we'll get you everything you need to get working with ConvertKit. Because not only do I want you to sign up with my partner link, I want to make sure you keep using it. So join my free training. Come to my forum. I don't know if that's the right link. Yeah, come to my forum. Dive in. Look, someone's just replied to me in the forum. Someone's just replied. Come to the Facebook group for even quicker answers. You can jump in, ask questions in there. That's growing every day. It isn't anything you need to get stuck with. I know that this might not have been the most organized video, but trust me, we will get you working, we'll get you sorted, and we'll get that money that you're paying for your subscription, we'll get that money back for you. Because, if you've got an email list, you need to be using it properly, you need to be making money out of it, and doing the best things you can to get a return on investing in people to get on that email list, right? I know that I don't use it a lot, but I don't have anything to sell, right? I've only got free training and free forums, and yes, I want to keep you in the loop, but it's maybe not why I'm not as good as I'm talking about. But technical wise, we'll get you flying. Any questions, leave them below. Thanks for watching.